Okay, so to be serious, this is retake 4 and I'm just doing this again and again. I don't know why because always messed up in these things when I'm just trying to record like this, what I'm doing right now. So hello guys, I am Frey and you are watching Internet's Boy. So today I will show you how to make a live bootable Kali Linux. And when I say live boot, it means like the Kali Linux will be in your pocket. You are not going to infect the operating system or not going to install the Kali Linux. About this, I will just show you what I'm saying. So first of all, you need an ISO. I will show you in this video how to go and download the correct one. But the most important thing is that you need a USB drive. So go with 8 GB or like 16 GB one, not with 4 GB because the ISO size is of course 3.6 GB or something like that. And when you buy a 4 GB USB, a pen drive, it may be of it may be of like 3.5 GB or 3.6 GB, so your ISO is not going to install that. So we have our USB drive in here. We will go and plug it out. Let me go and do that. Okay, so you also do it like this correctly. I don't want to tell you like how to do, and this video is like so simple. You can just do it by just reading those instruction. I don't have to make this type of videos, but as somebody have like requested me to do and show how to have a Kali Linux installed in your pen drive, then you can go in your college, in your school, and hack those PC, hack out everything, hack everyone, hack this planet. No, I'm just going so overboard in this one. But yeah, I will just catch you on my desktop now. So, real quick, I will be in my desktop. So I am back, and the tool I am using for this is GNOME Disks. And here we go. If you don't have GNOME Disk installed, it's so easy to install. Just open your terminal and write install GNOME Disk. Like if you are using Ubuntu or Mint, then it's like just go and just apt install GNOME Disk. And just check my description. Please always check the description of any video if you are watching it on YouTube. So here I have my USB in it. Okay, so it have Arch installed. So just format it out. If you have anything else in your USB, just format everything. You don't need any trash in here. Sorry, Arch is not a trash anyways. But now go to the disk option here. Let me just go and maximize it so you can just see it everything. So just go into these three dots. This is like disk options, and then restore disk image. Select your image in here. So okay, this is the live Kali Linux which I have selected. So let me show you how to download this one. So go to this official website of kali.org, and what I'm doing in here is like live boot. So just click it out, and here we go 64. I will recommend you to just go and download this 64 ISO file. So here we go, use torrent, and for torrent just use Qubit torrent. That's so cool because I love Qubit torrent and it's so easy to set up and everything. So you can also like download it in your browser, and if you just click it here it will start downloading. But in my case I already have this. Like so many YouTubers say this line, right? Because I have this, I have already downloaded this one, and I think that's because they are making the video. Okay, so here is my ISO file. Just go and click it out, and so it will load it, start restoring, and restore. This will ask for your sudo password of the user. Just put it out and just relax. You will see it's just restoring disk image. It's 0.0%. I will just pause out this video as it will give 1% or something like 0.5%. I don't know, it's being kind of like slow process in my case, but it must be fast in your case. Don't worry about it. Let me just wait. Okay, waiting is kind of hard for me. I don't know. Yeah. Oh, it's directly go with 7.1%. I haven't paused the video. You have seen? Oh my god, the MI is so fast. So I will pause it right now so you don't able to just see whole the process. I don't want you to see everything, just waste your time in this video. So let me just pause out. So I just resume the video. I don't know because it's because like I want to just share something with you. Why to use this live boot? Because you are not going to like infect any OS. You are not going to install Kali Linux in a hard drive. It's just be in your pen drive, like in your pocket, and it's cool. You have all the tools installed. If you are doing like pen testing, the Kali Linux is in your pocket, and if you go to in your school, in your college, you can hack any system, hack everything. So that must be cool. Like if you are Mr. Robot fan, you must know everything, that feeling when you can just crack out everything. So I think this is cool. So I already have like one pen drive in which Kali Linux is installed, a live boot one, but as someone has requested me to do this type of things, so here it is. Anyways, it's kind of easy, like anyone can just go and do this. You don't need a video for this one. But as I said, sometimes making this video is kind of cool. So now that's it. Now I will just pause it out again, and here we go. Pause. Okay, so I think this is going to be done. This is 93.8% now. But as the installing is going on, I went through the documentation, and this is so cool. They have given everything here. You can just read here like how to make a Kali Linux bootable USB drive in Linux, and there are all commands like using fdisk. I haven't used this one because I want to make this video as simple as it possible, but you can go through this, and you can also verify your Kali Linux iOS with dd command and everything stuff. And what they have said here, consider yourself warned. So you are also warned. We are not going to do this. We are just going to install and make our USB drive bootable, and it's done. And now simply go and cut out. This will say like my USB has been mounted and everything. Now there will also one folder will just appear. I'm just waiting for that. Okay, just don't wait for that. That is not going to appear now. And there are like plenty of options like Etcher. You can use this one too. This they have shown two ways to make your pen drive bootable, and this line you can just under. Although the process of installing Kali Linux onto a USB drive is very easy. And that's what I'm saying, like it's so easy, but well, I think that's all. Now you have successfully bootable the ISO in your pen drive. Okay, let me show you that. If you go, there is Kali Linux live, you can see this. Now let me came out of my desktop into that video mode again. So for that I'm going to just pause this video one more time. Okay, so here we go. As we have successfully boot over. Okay, don't use this. I'm not going to use this one. I'm gonna use my script as I have made that. So that's kind of like simple script, just been going for shutdown, and that's all. Now shut down your machine and just wait what I'm doing. The first thing you need is this one. You must have plugged in your flash drive, USB, whatever, stick, whatever you call this one, and then just restart your PC, your machine, and then boot key, of course. In my case, it's F12. So you have to just check out what machine you are using and what's the boot menu for that. Just go and open your search engine and search about this. I don't know about other machine though. I know about my machine. So in your case, it must be like you are using other manufacturer. So just go and just search about it. So now you have to go and select your USB store device and just hit enter, and here it is. Now this is your live system. Just go into your live system and just wait. Okay, hi live system, hello there. So you can see now you have like Kali Linux installed, and it's so cool. You have Kali Linux in your pocket. Now you can use all those tools, and here comes the dragon. I think I have to clean my screen. So here comes the dragon in here. I really love this dragon. So this also like depends on your machine RAM and memory, like how much memory you have, how many CPU cores you have. In my case, I only have 2, so please donate. Check out the description so I can go and buy another Emma 0.2 or like 2.0. So let's wait. Like sit back, of course. Just me go and tilt out the screen so I can also see. I don't have LED screen. I'm broke as fuck. So here's the mouse pointer, we can see this. Well, of course. Now here is our Kali Linux live environment. Oh, the workspaces are quite nice. So there we go. Now just relax, wait a little bit more. Now here we go, we have our Kali Linux installed in here. So that's it. Now you can successfully go and use all the tools in here. I think the tool which I do like when I am in USB, it's like, wait a second, let me just find out that one. Oh man, we have this one right here, Kali Linux undercover mode, and just click it. Now you will get amazed what this tool will do to your Kali Linux. Wait a second. Here we go. This is our Kali Linux, you can see, and when I'm just using this in my college, people will just didn't even notice. They will be like, okay, I am using Windows 10 that is installed in my college, and they will not get any idea that I am using Kali Linux. And I can just go and open the terminal in here and just do my whole work. So this is it. This is it. Great, right? So yeah, let me go and just, so you can see this is not CMD, this is actual terminal. You've got that power. And don't drink and sudo. Okay, take care, and thank you for the 500 subscribers. Really, I got the mail from YouTube. And that's all about this video. Sayonara, bye, take care, and use Kali Linux from now on.
See, you can have my drink, let me see you dance. Get up off your feet, you can be my freak, let me see you jam. When the sun falls, then the moon lights. Might be a hell of a night. Go, 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 go. Get up out your seat, you can have my drink, let me see you dance. Get up off your feet, you can be my freak, let me see you jam. When the sun falls, then the moon lights. Might be a hell of a night, yeah. Shit's real and I just begun. So many ladies wanna share my tongue. Man, this life of mine. We in the league, we ain't pressed for time. So that bottom gon' pop, then my rocket gon' spin, then the moles gon' jive. Ain't no telling how my night might end. Nightlife in the bright lights, swaggin' hard in my Concorde. You at the bottom, we the top dogs. We get high as them elevators. me? Now will you hit with me? Now make it dip for me. Now will you ride for me? Will you die for me? Will you jump off a cliff and hit the sky with me? Menage a trois, 4 titties, no bras and no flaws. You, me, and her ball with no draws. Get high with a god, I'm a no-star. Feeling good, all this money in my bank card. 10 grand in my pocket, nigga, all Lord. Porsche Panorama, yeah, 4 doors. Pedal to the floor, ain't that's what it's made for. I ain't minding if the world stops, and I ain't minding if the world stops. We been living up in hell shop, we been living up in hell shop. So I'ma live it to the top notch, and I'ma take it to the top. I ain't minding if the world stops, and I ain't minding if the world stops. We been living up in hell shop, we been living up in hell shop. So I'ma live it to the top notch. Fuck with me, yeah. Get up out your seat, you can have my drink.